Alright, so this is it, Balco motorcycle Bluetooth kit. So got this super cheap for $1.99, and yeah, pretty much is going to replace the current one that I have on my helmet. And the interesting thing with this one comes with a 1080p HD camera built into it. Other features include pair with up to 6 riders, glove-friendly dial, voice assistant compatibility, Bluetooth of course, battery up to 30 hours apparently, water resistance as well, IP65, and built-in FM radio. I'm gonna try that out. So yeah, all the features listed out there and what you get in the box: main unit, microphone and speaker, charging cable, PTT control cable, so push to talk. This comes with a push to talk button which you can connect up to the unit and have it mounted somewhere on your handlebars, and you can press it if you were to link this up with another unit. And then of course helmet clip and a couple of mounting adhesives and an Allen key. Alright, let's open this up and let's have a look what's inside. Alright, so like that, and there's the unit. So yeah, let's just put this to the side for a quick second and have a look what we have on the inside. So motorcycle Bluetooth kit, instruction manual, won't need that. What do we got? First cable here. Oh. Allen key. There it is. Don't lose that. Looks like a strap. I'm guessing part of that mounting adhesive stuff. USB A to USB Type-C cable. Leave that to the side. What else we got? Packaging is, yeah, pretty decent, you know, in terms of quality. Alright, oh, it looks like we've got our push to talk button here. So USB-C, push to talk button, and looks like a dual headphone jack sort of connector. Not really familiar with what you call this type of connector, but it looks like that'll connect into the main unit. Put that to the side. So our speaker pads, Velcro pads that is, and looks like an adhesive for the unit itself. Interesting. Okay, is this going to connect via an adhesive? I'm not sure about that. Alright, we'll have a look at that. Put that to the side. Got 4 Velcro patches for the speakers by the looks of it. And I think this last bit is, yeah, the speakers and the mic themselves. So let's have a look. Check that to the side. Alright, so there we go. These definitely feel a little bit better quality compared to the ones that I have installed on with my current Bluetooth headset. And it looks like another adhesive pad there as well. Be interesting to check and see what the audio quality will be like with this particular mic. So I'll probably do a comparison between this one and the current one that I have with that's currently installed on my helmet. Okay, so let's put all those stuff to the side and let's have a look at the main unit. So obviously the main feature with this being the camera. So shooting 1080p, definitely will have to test it out to see what the quality is going to be like. And so yeah, this is pretty much what it is. Looks like we've got ourselves a power button, a Wi-Fi button by the looks of it. I wonder if that's what you use to connect to the Bluetooth, even though they labeled it as a Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi symbol, interesting. And then yeah, you got the glove-friendly dial, you know, and I think R1. Yep, that's a button right there. And if you have a look around the rest of the unit, we've got a few panels here that we can sort of open up. So that looks like a headphone jack. So I think by the looks of it, yeah, that's where your speakers and mic are going to connect into this jack here. So I'll demonstrate that. So like that. So that connect up to that port there, and then we've got another latch here. Oh, okay, here we go. So that will be the compartment where you put your micro SD card for the recording of the onboard dash cam. And then finally we have the USB Type-C port. Now I think that'll be for just charging the unit up. but I think also that's where you plug in your push to talk button as well, by the looks of it. Have to figure out where this plugs in. Not too sure about this. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Subscribe for the next video. I'll do a installation and also a sort of operation guide as well as to how to use this unit. Yeah, so subscribe to that, like the video if you liked it, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one.